Sweet Tooth Society is all set. A giant chocolate, ice cream for Gulliver, and Hulk Muffin are our guests today, along with a baby Bounty and a tiny donut. Watch these and other unusual sweets in our new video. A party for a real sweet tooth is being prepared. I'm calling my friend Curly Sue. She should come and help me eat all of these delicious sweets. Curly Sue has absolutely forgotten about it. She starts getting ready as fast as she can. My friend's running late, and the candies look so tempting. I will eat only one. That's it, no more. Except one more chocolate bar. Well, and one more. And a candy, only one. And again. Oops! It looks like I ate all the sweets I prepared, and my friend will be here in a minute. I need to come up with something right now. I go to the kitchen and change into the costume of a confectionery genius and start creating. Well, let's take some flour, mix ingredients, and learn a method of quick cooking. Phew! It seems that I've got ready just before Curly Sue's coming. I think I'd rather hide the wrappers. The hungry period of my life is not worth mentioning. I put a huge and tasty donut on the table instead. Mix 14 fluid ounces of drinkable yogurt, 2 eggs, and 0.6 ounces of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 5 ounces of sugar. Beat up the mixture. Add 14 ounces of flour. Mix it. You will get a pancake dough consistency. Pour 14 fluid ounces of vegetable oil into a heated frying pan. Pour out the dough, making a hole in the center. Cover the frying pan with the lid. Pour the donut with melted dark chocolate when it is ready. Add some melted pink chocolate and make nice patterns with it on top of the dark chocolate. Decorate the donut with colored candies and bright sprinkles. Surprise! The gigantic donut symbolizes our strong friendship. You won't be able to eat this donut alone. I cut it and give a piece to Curly Sue and take one for myself. I have already forgotten about the sweets I ate on my own. Curly Sue hasn't come empty-handed. She managed to get ready for the party, but she doesn't have a lot of products. There's only dry breakfast. Well, she has to improvise with what she's got. And now she takes out a small box. And there's an unusual surprise gift inside of it. We will need some ring cereal, like Cheerios. Melt confectionery glaze in a double boiler. Put a ring onto a straw and dip it into the glaze. Attach sprinkles to it using tweezers until the glaze has hardened. Melt glaze of different colors and make a few bright donuts in the same way. Cut a rectangular box with a lid from white cardboard. Cut the corners, fold it up, and fasten them with double-sided tape. Print out a donut pack label and attach it to the lid. Put the donuts into the box. Oh, it's so cute! Phew! Curly Sue is so happy that her friend likes her little gift. These baby donuts are so lovely, just for one bite. It doesn't matter how many sweets I eat. I can't control myself when it comes to giant ice cream like this. My friend knows my weakness for sure. Whip ice cream powder mix for 6 portions with milk. We will need about 42 fluid ounces of milk. Pour out the mixture into a few containers. Add food coloring of a different color into each. Put the containers into a freezer for 2 to 3 hours. Dip the container with hardened ice cream into hot water for a couple of seconds so that you can take it out easily. Put the colorful semi-spheres into a big bowl. Decorate them with wafer cones poured with melted chocolate. Add a bar of chocolate, some cookies, or meringue. Pour out a little topping and decorate the ice cream with colorful candies. I reach out to get some ice cream with a little spoon, but Blondie is right. We need the spoons that are worth this royal dessert. Anyway, we will have small bites so that we do not get a sore throat. Wafer cone is quite nice as well. Yummy! Curly Sue